Hi guys, welcome to a video that is on week 4, unit 3, the drama unit, drama and also known as plays. We are currently on the home page of the course and it says week 3 and it's actually focused on unit 2, which is poetry, but I'm going to be looking at unit 3 here, which is week 4, drama. I'm just clicking on the unit so you can kind of see what's in store for you. This unit will be a lot like the last unit, the poetry unit, super fast, super intense, a lot of work, so I encourage you to get on that shit and to read ahead and to just get your work done and keep pushing yourself through and through. Time management is super crucial for unit 3, just as you probably found it was for unit 2 poetry as you're finishing up those discussions and also finishing up your essay on poetry. So I also encourage you to email me with any questions or issues or post questions or issues you're having on essay number 2 in the discussion forum. But for unit 3, which is drama, we'll be focusing on a play called Fences by August Wilson. And what's happening in this unit are 3 discussions, just like we normally have, a journal log for the play, a quiz on the play, and actually a quiz on the concepts of play. And then lastly, you'll have an essay on the play Fences. So one thing I've mentioned to a few of you, if you haven't already seen it online, is that there is also a movie of this play that stars Denzel Washington and Viola Davis. So I would encourage you to watch that if you really kind of want to see how someone took August Wilson's beautiful play and turned it into a motion picture. Movies can help us to kind of understand what's going on and give us that visual that we're craving as we're reading something. If you've already read or looked at the packet for drama, then you'll notice that drama is meant to be seen. A play is actually meant to be seen versus reading. And so even though we don't get a play, the actual play Fences, to go to the theater and see, we can watch the movie version, again, with Denzel Washington and Viola Davis. So that's also an option. I'm just going to click on discussion 10, which is the first discussion for drama, just to show you where the most important documents for this unit are. I also emailed them out to you earlier today. And so as a reminder, there's 2 documents. The first one is what our play's introduction from the Siegel handbook that I copied for you. Again, you'll rotate it just like you did the last one. Bam! So this is 25 pages on plays, going back to drama, Greek theater, talking about where it came from, going through Elizabethan theater, kind of looking at concepts from the history of drama, and then also parts of play, and then moving into how do you write about plays. So again, this is what the quiz will be developed on, and the next document is the actual play Fences, which I also copied for you in case you hadn't purchased it from the bookstore. So again, you'll rotate it. So this play has 2 acts. There are 4 scenes in the first act, and then there are 5 scenes in the second act. So this is a 35-page play. So if you just scroll down, you get a little background on August Wilson, who he is as a playwright, and then you get the character list here, the setting, information on the play, and then we jump here on page 3 to Act 1, Scene 1. So you get some of that information about what's happening, and it goes straight into character dialogue. So pay attention to the formatting for this because it will be useful on your essay number 3. So again, for unit 3, which is drama, you're just going to be clicking on the link on the home page, or you'll always go to modules to access the modules. We've got unit 1, which we're done with. Unit 2, which we're almost done with, about halfway through the semester, which is awesome. You guys have worked really, really hard and done a really great job so far. If you're feeling overwhelmed, hang in there and just work on your time management skills. Dedicate concentrated time to your work. That is really, really useful. Also, one thing that I do when I'm super busy and I notice I'm starting to get stressed or anxious is I stop. S-T-O-P. I stop. I take a breath. I observe my body and how I'm feeling to see if there's aches and pains and stress I might be carrying somewhere, whether it's in my back or in my neck, my shoulders, whatever, and then I proceed. So stop, take a breath, observe, proceed. Usually I meditate every single day for at least 5 to 10 minutes to kind of ground myself. So again, I encourage you to do that if you're feeling stressed out or overwhelmed. It's your body's way of telling you it needs a break. And so you want to work smarter and not harder. Rejuvenate yourself. Those of you that are interested, there's an app for iPhones. It is called, Insight Timer. And it's my favorite app. It's really great. It's free. It's got all kinds of free meditations. You can choose your time frame. You can choose if you want music or if you want someone doing a guided meditation or if you just want a timer, the bell, the singing bowl. So again, I encourage you to find ways to kind of de-stress and so you can focus on your work and concentrate. Little concentration goes a long way. So again, I clicked on modules. I scrolled down to Unit 3, which is drama or offenses. We've got 3 discussions, journal log, a quiz, and then we have the essay itself. So I will be going over each of these in detail in separate videos if I can make time for that with my busy schedule and my grading essay number 1s and all the other stuff that's coming in. But just as a little preview, we've got 3 discussions here. They're super meaty because they involve a lot. They involve the play, they involve concepts of play, they involve analysis of the play as it relates to contemporary issues. In the last discussion here, we were tying it into Kanye West, an article from BBC, and also Childish Gambino's This Is America video. And so we're taking this play and we're tying it into contemporary issues in America, about race and culture and equality, and all those things that we talk about and deal with on a daily basis. And so that's what's happening for Unit 3. I encourage you to spend time scrolling through each of these. Again, I'll make separate videos for the discussions and the journal log and the quiz if needed, and then also the essay number 3. So get started, start reading, kick back, relax, find a cool spot. I don't know about you, but it is hot here in Oakview. My thermostat is reading 93 degrees and has been since yesterday basically. So it's a hot one, guys. Find a place that's cool where you can study and seek a refuge, or the beach if you have a hot spot. So I'll see you in the next video.